Hello guys, welcome to INVT channel. This is Ryan. I'm going to introduce INVT new demo system. INVT packaging machinery demo system. This system includes whole INVT products, including PLC, HMI, and the server system. You can see this is our new HMI, VSQ series. It's 7 inches and it has built-in Ethernet port. This is our new PLC product, TS series. It has built-in motion control and it has built-in Ethercat communication. This is our DA200 server system. In this system, it has 5 X. This is winding X, this is unwinding X, this is pulling X, this is cutter, this is fading X. So next, I'm going to start the system. So you can see in this part is fading X, and this is unwinding, this is winding, this is pulling, this is cutter. So in the whole process of the application, it has calculated real-time radius data, which you can see in the HMI. And here, in this part, the feeding X should follow the mark sensor. And here, the cutter should follow the sensor. So if there is some correction during the process, we have an automation correction function in the program. This is the introduction of the demo system. Thank you.